Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this double door transparent fridge in Heartopia. So we're going to add two half walls here. I'm also going to add floorings, which I am going to color the ceiling first as usual. And then I can now color the flooring of it. You can color it using any of the textures. It won't really show that much in my opinion, but let's just use this one. Then we're going to grab what pillar is this? Where is it? Hold on. Okay, the wooden pillar. Enable the precision, and we're just going to make it short, and we're going to color that white. We're going to place it on both sides like so. Go to furnitures and make sure you have the ocean cabinet. I think it's in kitchen actually. This one, the oceanic cabinet, and we're going to also color it all white. Like so. I'm going to put the foods in later. I don't know why I said it like that. Said it that way. Let's go to building material and we're going to get the storage, and I'm just going to place it up here first so I can kind of calculate where I need to place the rest of the shelves. And then we're going to make this one kind of lower to the ground here, not to the ground, to the table. And then I'm going to add another one here. I think I'm just going to add like 3. You can add more, but I think this is enough. I'm actually going to move this up a little bit. Like so. And I'm just going to place some stuff on the shelves and I'll be right back. Alright, once you've placed everything, make sure the top shelf is empty. We are going to place some more walls surrounding the area like so. I'm also going to place floorings on top of the whole thing just to cover it up like this. And if you want to add 2 lights, you can, but I feel like it's too bright, so I'm just going to add 1. But if you'd like to add 2, that's totally fine. I'm just going to add 1 here. As you can see, it's already bright as is, in my opinion, but to each their own. And I'm just going to extend the wall again here, and I'm just going to cover this area. This one. There we go. And then we are going to add the doors to it. So we're going to use these doors, the modular double door. Just going to color this white. And you can color the handle to any color you want. I think I'm going to do blue. And then I'm going to use these windows as well. And I'm going to also color it white for the edges. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!